When a trucking company secures its load, what must they do to make sure that large debris does not become dislodged and result in serious injury or death? Join us as we discuss this interesting topic. I'm Yao Dinizulu, a trucking accident attorney in Chicago, Illinois. 7% of all serious semi-trucking accidents are caused in part by cargo shifting and or not being properly secured. Imagine a small pebble hits you in the windshield. Doesn't bother you, might nick your windshield, but it doesn't stop you from driving down the road. But imagine instead a truck has debris coming from it that's as little as 20 pounds. 20 pounds coming from a truck can have an impact of a vehicle traveling 55 miles per hour of half a ton. Hence, it's very important for all parties involved to make sure that in trucking cases that the load is secure. There's 5 basic areas that you need to look at: the shipper of the load, the trucking company, the truck driver, the seller or the manufacturer, and the manufacturer of the cargo. These are all possible people who have responsibilities to secure the load. The shipper, properly and safely loading cargo onto the trailer. A shipper who takes the responsibility of loading a trailer must do so in a safe manner. OSHA and industry resources and standards show that they have a responsibility to safely load the cargo. Trucking companies, they have a responsibility to ensure that their drivers have the proper securing devices and training on how and when to use them. Whenever a duty is prescribed for their driver, they have a responsibility to make sure it's done. Trucking driver. In Illinois, the commercial driver's license requires that the trucker have a basic understanding of securing the load. Whether they secure it themselves, they're still responsible for inspecting the cargo, recognizing whether or not it's overloaded and poorly balanced. Knowing the cargo is properly secured does not obscure the driver's view ahead of him or behind him. A driver must regularly inspect the cargo. The seller and the manufacturer of the securement devices has a responsibility to make sure their product is not defective. Essentially, that it works for the manner in which it was intended. The manufacturer of the cargo has a responsibility to make sure that they have properly bundled and packaged the cargo. If you have a question about your trucking accident, contact us at the number below. We handle these cases all the time. I'm Yao Dinizulu, a trucking attorney in Chicago, Illinois. Thanks for joining me.